Well, I started to explore the world of dessert basically because I was bored of cooking. I got to a point in my career where I thought I want to do something else. The pastry part was obvious choice because my dad was a pastry chef. I used to hate it when I was young, but it's something that after a time being I fell in love with again. And I think it's a really good way to be creative. It's so much more easier, I think, to be creative with. My favorite flavor of gelato, wow, it's hard because I love so much. I'd probably have to go with hazelnut, Piemonte hazelnut gelato. In my dishes has a really big influence. I think I always have to have either gelato or sorbet. I love to have a frozen aspect in my desserts. I think almost that without it, the dish isn't complete for me. So I always want something frozen in my desserts. The gelato usually comes in, it doesn't come in the start. It's more that when I start to compose a dessert, I'll think of like 3 or 4 tastes that I want, and then I'll decide which one is the gelato going to be, or the sorbet, and I'll choose that flavor and go with it. So for this event, we've used gelato in, I think, 2 different ways. We've used both with the technology Gelato Cristal, which I love because you can able to mold your gelato much easier and still have the nice texture when you're going to taste it. And we also used a soft serve, which I love also because it's the consistency of it, and it's also a modern way how to use gelato. Sustainability for me is really important. I think it's something I'm working with a lot right now. I don't think I'm done with it. I think it's something that's always in my mind when we're doing menus and such. We want to work seasonally, and also like how is the environment treated because of the ingredients we're using. So it's something that you need to think about when you're doing a menu for sure. Well, food waste is also something that we also work with at the hotel. And kind of like with this demo that we had today, that there's always other ways that you can use your dessert.